That is indeed a beefy 3070. It is. Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Good morning. All you beautiful people. Look, I already need a haircut. I just got a haircut like 3 weeks ago, and this is already getting like too long. Can't have it, you know. Beard's getting thick. It's still a week old. It's still a week trim, chat. It's a week. That face can grow some facial hair fast. We've got a build for Tara. She's a big part of the Lady Geeks community. You guys know Lady Geek. We part of Lady Geek here just about 2 months ago, and we're building a beauty for her today. So today's build is an Intel Core i7-10700KF CPU. Beautiful CPU, obviously from Intel, but it's probably one of the best budget CPUs in the market. I really rate down the 3 really good budget CPU, or not say budget, but like all around CPUs, or the 5600X, obviously, the 10600KF, and honestly the undervalued 11600K. I think those are probably the 3 best in those ranges. The 10700K and the 11600K can almost kind of go hand in hand. But if you're gonna be doing a bit more streaming, the 10700K is a little bit better to buy from personally. We're cooling this with the Enermax Liqmax 3. It's a 360 AIO from Enermax. Beautiful white ARGB liquid cooler. Putting this all on the Asus Strix Z490. I think we quoted the Z490 or Z590 Prime. We're actually upgrading Tara to the Z490 Strix. Beautiful board from Asus. We're putting some of our favorite RAM on there, the Crucial Ballistix RGB, 32 gigabytes of CL16 3200 MHz RAM from Crucial. For storage, we got a Crucial P2 1 terabyte NVMe drive as well. We're putting this all in the beautiful Corsair 400D Airflow white case. Powering it with an EVGA Supernova 750 watt gold fully modular power supply. We've got the H-Horse braided sleeved cables that are connecting to the EVGA FTW3 Ultra card from EVGA RTX 3070. And then we've got 6, like I said, I think we've had 6 ARGB fans going here, so it is a beauty. It's a beauty. Whew, all right, let's get started. What a week. Honestly, the best boards right now are probably our MSI and Asus. They go kind of hand in hand. They both have some boards that are better than each other, but usually what we use, Asus and MSI boards. All right, there's the board. Gonna put the RAM in. Yeah, Windows updates have been really finicky. People have had problems with them lately. I think it's what happened with Lady Geek's PC. Her other PC, not the one we built, but she was having problems with her system. And a lot of Windows updates have been kind of really wonky lately. Even affecting like games too. So, I wouldn't be surprised that's what it was. Can be. Time for the beautiful case. The 400D. Yes, the 4000D. We love this case. You know that. The beauty. It is a beautiful case. It's so soft. It's got a little bit of gray. This board has a little bit of gray and white, so that's why I actually paired it. Like, we're all about the aesthetic and the quality. So when we saw that, like, oh man, this case looks really good with the Strix board. Let's just upgrade to a Strix board, you know? The Prime will look great, but sometimes we just make those things for people, make their day, you know? Hand them out the motherboard. Pop out our accessories box. Everything we need out of here. Alright, so go top down and mount the motherboard. Alien Boy was an epic case, it was. It really was. 3 GPUs? I'm not sure. I'm not sure why, unless you're trying to mine. I don't know why you'd want to go 3 3060 Ti's. Technically, you could fit 2 on this board, yes, if you wanted to. But SLI, yeah, SLI is literally dead. It's been dead. Alright, so we're gonna do the front mount. 2 more screws, and the front mount is on, and we'll mount the pump. Let's take a peek at this. These fans look really sharp in the front of this. Like the whites all match perfectly. You want to see how obviously it's like the molds. You want to see colors that match. These whites match really nice. Do a top down. We're gonna mount the pump. That's how we're gonna do it right here. Fans in here is putting on hooking all our fan headers. You guys a close up. And I work on that cable management. We're running all the wires. Right now we're running all the pump fans right now. We're running all the PWM fans. What we're doing is we're wrapping them up and around. Then we're gonna bring them over here. We're gonna zip tie them all right here at this fan header. Look really nice and clean. Is it cheaper to buy or build a gaming computer? Right now it's actually pre-builts are really good. I mean, you get some good deals on pre-builts. Typically become really close to pre-builts, but we use more optimal parts, more higher end components. They would get most pre-builds. So I always say that, obviously, I'm going to be partial and say that, yeah, you should buy a Stince built. But right now it's really hard for consumers to build PCs for reasonable pricing. And that's what, honestly, that's exactly what we do, Mojo. Like, we don't build anything that isn't like something we want to run ourselves. So everything we build is, you know, we kind of like little works of art almost, you know. So kind of like little works of art. Kind of why I say we're a little different is like, you tell us what you're looking to build or what you're looking to have in your build, and then we just go out and we make it happen. You know, you're getting the looks you want, the colors you want, you can get the parts you want. You just tell us the parts, we'll source them. As long as they're realistic. Right now, if somebody say, "Guy, I want the Strix 3090 in white," well, all right, you're gonna have to wait a little while because that's the most coveted card on the market. You know, but other than that, we can. You say like, I want a 3080, I want a whiteout build, and all right, yeah, we can do that. That's not too long. Most of our builds are within 4 to 5 weeks right now. So for higher end builds, some of the lower end builds we can turn around in like 2 to 3 weeks. All right, now we're just hooking up the RGB into the top of the pump head. You like our branding too? I appreciate that, man. I'm not sure if you're talking about today's shirt. Today's shirt's a joke. We have a couple other shirts, guys. I don't know if you guys know, we're working with Ghost. If you like the shirts, you know, obviously we have a couple of meme shirts like this one. We got one that's gonna be like the summer of Stince build. It's gonna be almost like one of those PC camp shirts, like everyone went to like camp. If you went to like summer camp, you're gonna have a Stince built shirt like that for the summer. It's gonna be really retro like. We're working on one that's like more Call of Duty themed potentially, like the Summer of Verdansk. It's gonna be really cool, like a shirt for like Call of Duty. We're gonna have a few other kind of shirts that have Stince, but we'll have our logos on the side that we have, you know, and stuff like that. So they're all gonna be really soft style, really comfortable shirts for like streetwear, hanging out, stuff like that. So they're common. Mitch Point merch in the chat. All right, next we're gonna work on braided cables, all of our front panel cables, our power supply. We'll start connecting that right now. Power supply, EVGA, GA, 850 watt fully modular. Fantastic supply for our friends over at EVGA. You know we love their power supplies. We use them in all 90% of our systems. It's good quality power supplies. There's a power supply. Nothing too crazy. 24 pin main connection. We got two 4/4 for our CPU, and then we got two 8-pin PCIe for our GPU. I don't like this connection in this. Being a little wonky. The termination for the 24 pin main. There we go. It's in there, just being a little finicky. Alright, let's take our front panel. Once we get done with our front panel, we're gonna go right to connecting our braided cables. And then we'll finish up the system here. I'll show you what it looks like with the filter and the front bezel right now.
That's your dust filter, magnetic. And this is your pop-in front panel. There you go. There you go. What we created there, nice little 2-pin for the extra 4+4 power to the CPU. If Tara wants to overclock, she can. And these beautiful fans from ID Cooling. They're gonna look really nice and soft, really nice soft white. You can see them right there, they're gonna go all the way across the top and the back. How about this nice white glow and white RGB? They look really sharp, really clean. Really nice looking fans. Alright, got all these cables dialed in now. Zip tied up here. And we'll be ready to put the thick boy in. I know you're excited, chat. I know you're excited. That's like, yes, thickness. RTX 3070 thick action. So many cables in the system, chat. It's insane. Literally, it's insane. There's 12 cables alone just for the fans and the RGB. Then we got all the braided cable extensions, splitter cables, the fan hub, cable management. This was the fun one. Still made it look good. We still made it look good. Woo. All right, that is indeed a beefy 3070. It is. How the funk if I heard it. I got just the cable management. She's ready to turn on. You want to see the cable management? Then we'll turn her on. Oh, there it is.
Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.